In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, head to the main menu and go to Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll see the bank accounts connected to your organization, along with a quick overview of their current balances and activity. Next, click on the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you manage more than one bank account in Xero. Once you open it, select the Reconcile tab. This is the main workspace where Xero helps you compare imported bank statement lines with the transactions already recorded in your books. Now take a moment to review the unreconciled transactions waiting to be processed. These are the statement lines that still need your attention. Xero will often provide suggested matches based on the information already entered in the system, such as invoices, bills, or previously created transactions. Carefully review each suggested match to make sure the date, amount, and transaction details are correct. If the suggested match is accurate, click OK to reconcile that transaction. This confirms that the bank statement line and the transaction in Xero belong together. It's a simple step, but it's important to check carefully before confirming, since accurate reconciliation helps keep your financial records clean and reliable. If Xero doesn't find a match, you can create a new transaction directly from the reconciliation screen. Enter the transaction details based on the bank statement line you're reviewing. As you do this, assign the correct account, along with the appropriate contact and tax rate. Choosing the right coding here is essential, because it affects your reporting and helps make sure the transaction is categorized properly. After entering the details, click OK to reconcile the transaction. Xero will then mark that bank statement line as completed. From there, continue working through the remaining transactions one by one until all items have been processed. Staying consistent and reviewing each line carefully can help you avoid duplicates, missing entries, or coding mistakes. Once everything has been reconciled, open Account Transactions to verify the items marked as reconciled. This final check is a good habit because it allows you to confirm that your reconciliations were recorded correctly and that your bank activity matches your books. That's how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. Thanks for watching.